In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mailjet API Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see, and how to keep your credentials safe. First, a quick overview of what you're creating. When you generate credentials in Mailjet, you get two pieces of information: an API key, which is public in the sense that it acts like a username for API access, and a secret key, which is private and should be treated like a password. You'll use these together whenever you connect an app or service to Mailjet's REST API or SMTP. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to mailjet.com, then sign in to your Mailjet account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. Click that and choose Account Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to the central place where Mailjet keeps all your account-level controls. On the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled REST API. In that area, click API Key Management. Depending on your plan or interface version, this may also appear as something like primary and sub-account. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The goal is the same: finding the page where your API keys live. On the API Key Management screen, you'll see any existing keys and the controls to create new ones. To add a new key, click Create a new API Key. If you're organizing credentials for different teams or projects under sub-accounts, you may see an option called Create New Sub-Account with API Key. Both paths produce the same type of credentials. The sub-account route simply keeps usage separated by project or client. Next, enter a clear name or label to identify what the key is for. Pick something descriptive so you recognize it later, like the project or environment where it will be used. Then click Generate Key or Create, depending on the button label shown in your interface. Mailjet will immediately display your new API key and secret key. Copy both values and store them somewhere secure, such as a password manager or your deployment's secret vault. Remember, your secret key is private. Don't paste it into public code repositories or share it in screenshots. If you ever suspect it's exposed, you can return to this page to revoke or regenerate credentials. That's it. You've created a Mailjet API key and secret key ready to plug into your applications. Keep them safe, label them clearly, and you'll have a smooth integration experience.